A-list celebrities have access to some of the finest foods in the entire world. But honestly, you'd be surprised what some of their favorite foods actually are. Starting off with the celebrity who has a net worth of $50 million, Billie Eilish.
But not only that, she's also a 9-time Grammy Award-winning artist. But we're not here for that. We're here to talk about her favorite meal. And as you guys can see, there is no meat on the plate. And that's because Billie Eilish is actually vegan. And one of the main reasons she went vegan was because of ethical and environmental impact of animal farming. Also, it probably really helped that she grew up in a vegetarian household, so she was already halfway there. But she even goes way beyond that. Because of the environmental impact of her concerts, she partnered with Google Maps so she could provide her fans with like a sustainable way of traveling and dining options.
All of these dishes are vegan. You got vegan curry, vegan Thai basil, and vegan sauté. So,
yeah. And I do like to go to vegan restaurants. I don't know how this is going to do for me, so we'll see.
Oh my goodness.
Sweet, sour, spicy, a little like tangy.
I'm excited for this vegan curry.
Oh my gosh, look at that. So hearty, creamy.
Bro. Bro. Yo, Billie, we out here, huh? So for Billie Eilish, what would it give her based off her favorite meal?
A 71.
Wow, that's, bro.
So much flavor, so many aromatics in that. If I was vegan and I got this, I'd be happy.
I was questioning the vegan. I was like, oh my God, vegan. Billie Eilish. But I think the curry came through and this Thai basil noodles was the best. I'm giving Billie Eilish an 82. We're just getting started. Let's move on to the next celebrity. Now we're going to the celebrity that has a net worth of $500 million, Michael Jackson.
Also known as the king of pop. And similar to Billie Eilish, he wasn't vegan, but he was vegetarian. He went vegetarian when he was about 20 years old, but his former chef said that Michael Jackson was a vegetarian who just didn't like vegetables. So even though he went vegetarian to be healthy, he didn't have the healthiest diet. He just didn't eat too much of it so he wouldn't gain weight. Also, he wasn't like a true vegetarian. He was known to have KFC and fish sandwiches from McDonald's, and from time to time he would just break his diet to indulge in some meat. Like I said, he didn't have the healthiest diet, but he did mention that every Sunday he would fast and he wouldn't eat anything for the entire day. He would just drink juices to flush out his system.
I'm a Michael Jackson fan.
I love Michael Jackson.
Huge Mac Jackson. So here we have cheese pizza, cheese enchilada, and ice cream with cookies. Start with the pizza.
Let's go.
Cheers, man. Cheese pizza.
Who doesn't like cheese pizza? Come on. I don't think I've tried an enchilada before.
Cheers. Wow. Oh my God.
Wow. That's dangerous. I could eat like 10,000 plates of that.
This meal is going great so far. Now we got a nice little dessert. So this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna take a cookie. I'm on top of that cookie. Cheers. Oh my God. The perfect dessert to end on a cheesy meal. I'm gonna go ahead and give this an 87.
Listen, this is good if I was 8 years old. One thing that I'm not seeing is any nutritional value, and I'm not seeing any protein in this. So I'm a grown man, so I'm gonna give this a 77.
Wow. So maybe the next artist had a childhood and probably ate some grown-up food. So let's go check it out.
Let's see.
Next, we're headed to the first youngest female billionaire, Kylie Jenner.
And being the youngest billionaire, you're probably thinking she has an amazing diet. The short answer is no. She kind of eats just like me and you. She eats healthy and clean most of the time, and that's how she's able to have such a slim physique. Also, she's like an on-again, off-again vegan, but most of the time it's off because she's eating bacon, burgers, and all these delicious meals. One of her all-time favorite cuisines is Mexican cuisine. She had a cooking segment on how to make shrimp tacos. I mean, the youngest billionaire is in the kitchen cooking. I mean, that's kind of crazy.
Kylie Jenner's favorite meal, double In-N-Out burger. But the thing is, her order is very different. She only gets the meat, cheese, and onions. And also, one other thing, pomegranates.
I love pomegranates.
You know how much she loves it? She has a pomegranate garden, bro. Let's go ahead and start with the burrito.
Aye, for sure.
Cheers. I remember my dad would always take us to my favorite taco spot, and we would always get tacos right after Disneyland. And those were the good days, bro.
So I actually grew up in the Middle East. I never even knew I thought a burrito was like the stuff you saw like at Del Taco. And then when I moved here and I realized that this is actually authentic Mexican food, fell in love.
We still have a burger to go through. Still good.
I don't want to hear no Five Guys. I don't want to hear no McDonald's. I don't want to hear nothing. Best burger of all time.
We're gonna end it off with some delicious pomegranate seeds. So refreshing. What score would you give Kylie Jenner's favorite meal?
It's the best way to, like, this is so hearty and rich that this is so refreshing. Kylie Jenner, this might be one of my favorite meals too. You're getting a 92 from me. Let's go, Kylie Jenner.
I'm not 92, but I'm gonna go ahead and give her like an 88. I love her stuff. You still got more to go. Let's head over to our next celebrity.
Let's see.
This celebrity's net worth is $800 million, and it is Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
And as many of you guys already know, this guy is a machine. To maintain his muscular physique, he needs to eat about 5,000 to 6,000 calories per day and about 200 to 300 grams of protein per day. I mean, that's an unfathomable amount of food. Now, 6 days out of the week, he eats super clean, like low-fat chicken, low-fat meats, fish, oatmeal, but there is one day out of that week which he has his legendary cheat meals. And he doesn't hold back. He has burgers, fries, cookies, ice cream, sushi, pancakes. I mean, the list goes on.
Oh my God, Hawaiian pizza, 12 cookies, a rock toast, 4-inch slice of bread, whipped cream, and syrup, of course. If you've seen that picture of the
Oh,
Rock
I have.
on his cheat meal, and it's like a giant spread of food, let's go ahead and dig into the rock toast.
French toast to me, it's good.
I've had many French toasts in my life. Oh no. Nothing like this. Pineapple pizza,
Cheers.
Rock's favorite. Cheers. I love a Hawaiian pizza.
Add jalapenos to this, spicy, sweet.
And you have 12 cookies. Cheers. I'm gonna give it a 70. This was delicious, but very sweet.
Cookies are great. French toast, all right. Not a big fan of this pineapple on pizza. I would have to give this a 72. Kylie Jenner still on top, baby.
Let's go ahead and move on to our next celebrity. Next, we're going to the most followed Instagram account, and he's worth $1 billion. Cristiano Ronaldo.
The soccer legend. Cristiano Ronaldo eats about 6 meals a day, but they're not like full plates. They're smaller plates just spread out throughout the day. To be one of the best soccer players on the entire planet, he is very particular about his meals. And one of the main focuses is he avoids drinking any sugary drinks. So Coca-Cola and Gatorade is just out of the question. He drinks 25 cups of water every day. Also, his chef has mentioned he only uses organic and natural foods and focuses on the quality of the ingredients. And this actually has inspired his teammates to adopt healthier eating habits.
Cristiano Ronaldo's favorite meal, and in front of me, it's a Portuguese dish, low-fat yogurt bowl, avocado toast.
So who you got though, Ronaldo or Messi?
We all know it's Ronaldo. He trains 4 to 5 hours a day, 5 days a week. Let's go ahead and dig into this Portuguese dish.
Oh, wow. That's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
It's unique though with the fish. I actually like that.
Yeah, it's not bad. Also, with the crispy potatoes, a little bit of that crunch back there. We all have low-fat yogurt, but it's like a simple yogurt dish. Cheers. Avocado toast. If you live anywhere in Los Angeles, you know that this is a big thing. And they charge you $40 for one. Wow. Oh. Bomb. And I guarantee he's done that before.
I was pleasantly surprised though. I'm giving Cristiano Ronaldo an 84. I liked it. No complaints here.
Wow.
Yep, I would eat that again.
I've never had this dish before, but not that close. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 78. All right, I see why Cristiano Ronaldo loves this meal. It's rich, flavorful, and honestly, I feel a little fancy just eating this. But honestly, Kareem, it's fun trying all these celebrity meals, but let's be real, man. I'm not cooking like this every day.
Definitely not.
That's where Factor, the sponsor of today's video, comes in. Factor delivers fresh, never frozen, chef-crafted meals straight to your doorstep. Yeah. Celebrity chefs have their fancy, overpaid personal chefs. But come on, man. This is the next best thing. I'm eating healthier than ever, too. Factor makes meeting your nutrition goals super easy. Their meals are dietitian approved and ready to eat in just 3 minutes. Whether you're cutting calories with their Calorie Smart option or trying out vegan or keto option, they've got you covered with over 35 menu choices every single week. And man, let me tell you, their Gourmet Plus meals
game changer. Think filet mignon, shrimp, or creamy Alfredo pasta, all reheating perfectly with no dryness, just deliciousness. I've been trying Factor lately, and I don't know why I waited so long. It's like having a personal chef. Zero grocery store trips, zero stress, just amazing food like this herb shredded chicken that I'm obsessed with. All right, let's hook you guys up with some chef-prepared gourmet meals. Head to factor75.com or just click the link below and use code 50Patrick to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first Factor box. That's code 50Patrick at factor75.com to get 50% off plus free shipping on your first box. All right, now that I've had my Factor meal, let's go cook Rihanna's favorite dish.
This next artist is worth $1.4 billion. Rihanna.
Rihanna's diet is very simple, but also one of the more relatable ones. Her personal chef says that she's a mood-based eater and she doesn't adhere to any fixed meal plans because it can always change. In between eating healthy, her backstage snack requests are things like Cheetos, Oreos, and even cup of noodles. But even though she's eating these types of food, she still has an amazing physique and knows how to balance her diet really well.
She has a colorful dish with a bowl of fruits, the spaghetti pomodoro. She loves pasta.
Outside of the eggs, I'm not really seeing.
Yeah, but Queen could do what she wants. Let's start with the spaghetti pomodoro. This pasta is good, but it's too simple for me. Her favorite fruit? Eggs, boiled eggs and toast. But I gotta tell you, man, this was not my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and rate Rihanna's dish a 67 because she's the queen. If it was anyone else, it'd be lower.
I like the protein. I like the carbs. I like the fruit. I'm gonna have to give Rihanna a 77. It's alright.
Let's move on to the next one. All right, now we're going to an artist that's worth $300 million, and that's Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber's eating habits has actually evolved throughout the years. In 2020, he discovered he had a severe gluten allergy. And the way he discovered it is he noticed that his mood, skin condition, and overall well-being was just getting worse. So after many tests, he learned that he developed a very severe gluten allergy. But before that, he was indulging in so many delicious gluten foods. And pasta was his all-time favorite. And of course, he adapted and started eating more gluten-free options and was frequently seen at gluten-free restaurants all over LA.
One quick thing about Justin, you can't.
He's talented. His voice is angelic. I ain't gonna lie.
He loved a spaghetti bolognese, which is different than Rihanna's was the pomodoro, which was just this at least has meat in it. Cheers.
It's like Rihanna's dish, but better.
He loves fried eggs and gluten-free toast.
J-Beebs, comment below. Let us know if we did the eggs right. I think the egg makes up for it though.
Who doesn't love a good fried egg?
The bread is an interesting choice.
Kind of tastes like cardboard box.
I thought Justin Bieber would be way more, I guess, fancy.
A lot of these celebrities, they love fancy food, but they're also normal people. Very simple, love a spaghetti bolognese, party, good meal. The fried eggs were really good. I didn't like the gluten-free. I'm gonna go ahead and give Justin an 80 out of 100. If this was regular toast, it might have been a little higher.
Eggs are cool, spaghetti's cool. I would have to give this an 80 as well. I believe in that, yeah.
All right, cool. Let's go ahead and head over to our next celebrity. This one is pretty exciting. Woo! This next celebrity has a reputation of being one of the nicest celebrities ever, and he's worth $50 million. It's Post Malone.
Post Malone doesn't have the healthiest diet. His eating habits are just horrible. Almost every night when he's touring, he's eating pizza, fried food, and a ton of sugary drinks. But if you notice now, Post Malone lost a ton of weight. And this is thanks to his daughter who was born in 2022. He mentioned that it motivated him to adopt a healthier lifestyle. He lost about 55 pounds. But he still enjoys his Red Baron pizza, and he's never gonna give that up.
I remember you were saying that Michael Jackson ate like a kid.
Yeah. Post, what are we doing?
Yeah, it's like Chuck E. Cheese food.
Let's start off with those.
Mozzarella, homemade mozzarella sticks. Wow. And also, he loved specifically Red Baron pizza. Have you ever had Red Baron before?
I don't think I ever had it.
It's very frozen pizza, yeah. Garlic nuts.
Can't go wrong with that.
Yeah.
This is Post Malone's favorite food?
Yeah.
Damn. I am gonna also give this a 53.
And I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 50. I don't like it. It's too unhealthy. There's the mozzarella cheese, the pizza, the garlic nuts. No. Let's head over to our next celebrity.
This next celebrity was one of the biggest pop artists of the 2000s, and she's worth $60 million, and that's Britney Spears.
Britney Spears had a very disciplined diet and an exercise regimen that she did every single day. Her eating almost nothing but chicken and canned vegetables. And after she got out of her conservatorship, she started eating the foods that she actually loves.
I love Britney Spears. I think she's the pop queen.
She is a pop culture icon, but Captain Crunch here, chili cheese dogs,
Yep.
pretzels. It's like she wanted to go out to a baseball game.
But I gotta say, chili cheese dog, underrated.
I did like them growing up. Like I always wanted a good chili cheese dog.
Well, Britney Spears loves them.
Cheers.
So good. Dip a little bit of some of that mustard.
Mustard. Okay, it's a pretzel. I mean,
It's whatever.
no, I don't like that. Captain Crunch.
Oh man, and she loves this.
I think we can agree on this.
Good,
A good choice. Brittany, you're getting a 64 from me.
Oh my god.
Terrible, Brittany. It's not as bad as Post Malone, but I would never want to eat this again.
I'm gonna give her 69.
What?
Symbolic reasons.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
Very last celebrity.
Who is it?
This one's controversial. Is one of the most successful hip hop artists of all time, and he's worth $2 billion. Kanye West.
Kanye West being a very unique person, you could only imagine what his diet is like. He's done every diet in the book. And one of the ones that really stuck was the keto diet, where he just ate meat and vegetables, nothing else. He's mentioned that McDonald's is one of his all-time favorite restaurants. But besides McDonald's, he of course loves all these other types of foods that just isn't healthy for you.
We actually know someone that was Kanye West's chef, and I was talking with him. He told me this was primarily what he liked, but he said he would always change. But this was his like comfort meal: some fried chicken, some mac and cheese, and obviously McDonald's. I mean, who doesn't love a good fried chicken?
I love fried chicken.
I love fried chicken.
Cheers.
That was so good.
So crunchy. Not the healthiest choice, but come on, like, you can't go wrong with that. And then here we have some mac and cheese.
She's classic, huh? Cheers.
This is some real comfort food. It reminds me of my childhood.
Yeah, kind of reminds me of like Thanksgiving. Go ahead and try the McDonald's.
It's still good. McDonald's is not touching In-N-Out. I think nutritionally, this is a pretty poor choice of food. I'm gonna give this a 74.
I'm gonna be at like a 62 with him. Think back to all the stuff we had throughout this whole video.
know.
The rock toast, you remember that?
toast.
Enchiladas from Michael Jackson. The fried chicken is the only thing that's holding you up, but other than that, Kanye, you failed. All right, Kareem, we have to find out which one the winner is. Let me quickly tally up the points in my head. Boom. We have the winner. At third place is Cristiano Ronaldo
Oh my God.
at 162 points.
That surprised me. I wasn't thinking that that would be something I would even enjoy, but
Here.
after I took a bite and just the flavors,
Oh, wow.
so healthy too.
Yeah.
I can see why you shredded.
Second place is Michael Jackson at 164 points.
No way.
Yeah, the cheese pizza, the enchiladas, ice cream with cookies. You can't go wrong. But the winner of which celebrity's favorite meal is the best, drum roll please, Kylie Jenner.
God.
What else does she got?
The burrito, I think, is what really did it for me.
A bowl of pomegranate seeds.
Amazing.
You touched both of our hearts with that dish.
Yep.
Congratulations. Kylie Jenner has the best meal. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next one.